Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the PHYR Pickleball 3K Imperium pickleball paddle. As you can see, this is the light blue variant. Very nice color, super nice design around the edges there, and then it's got the big PHYR Pickleball logo right in the middle that looks very attractive. USA Pickleball approved, very important. It's got this very nice 3K carbon fiber finish that allows for some pretty nice spin. Grip feels really nice in the hand, and the paddle face is an extended sort of paddle, so it's going to give you a little bit of extra room up here to hit those shots that are harder to reach. And this thing has great pop, great control. I'm going to show you playing with it right now. This is just a little bit of me hitting the ball against the wall, playing some wall ball. And as you can see, I am aiming for that square and I'm hitting it with pristine accuracy. This paddle makes it very easy to hit it where I want to hit it, and for that I highly recommend it. As you can see, this paddle works very nicely, has a great sweet spot, and it's great for anyone looking to up their pickleball experience.